This is InfinityAI. You will need a grown-up to make you an account. For this one, we will do 3D Pixar-style animation wearing a Hello Kitty cosplay costume. And like presto magic, Stuff Corporate Ava, who hates her job, is now a fun-loving animation. We customized a special voice in CapCut and uploaded it here. Make sure to set your pixel if you want to crop the face and animation, stable, medium, or expressive. Yeah, here is our video. Let's watch it.
Hi, I am Ava. During the day, I am a corporate office manager. By night, I design costumes for my doll collection.
And that is not all. You can put Ava in a box. You can put Ava with a fox. You can have Ava eating locks. You can have anybody you can dream up. I made this one for my big sister. I think she likes it. Yes, I do. There you have it. You can now have your favorite character wake you up in the morning, read your favorite book, or make a movie. The sky is the limit.